What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Before anybody asks, yes, Kirk is still part of the channel. He's just been busy. I've been busy. We've been filming at separate times. But yes, he's still part of the channel. He might pop up in this video for all we know. But yeah, he's still around. Today's video, we're gonna work on a 10th Gen SI. We're gonna go grab some plugs. Shout out to Margate Auto for hooking it up on the spark plugs. And we're gonna install a front lip. I'm gonna let her explain a little bit about her car when she gets here. And yeah, see you guys in a minute.
This is Ursula. And I have a stage 2 clutch installed. I have a Canon cold air intake.
Wait, one pause.
Yeah.
Who's that clutch from?
Action clutch.
There we go. Just wanted to make sure.
Action clutch, all the way.
There you go.
And so today I have to get new spark plugs because she's been acting up a little bit. And we're also gonna install a new front lip. So I'm excited for that.
So as you guys can see, we have 4 NGK plugs here. They say pre-gapped, but I always recommend checking the gap before installing them. I checked one of them. It seemed to be pretty on point. I'll pull one and see what it is. They require 20 thou, which is kind of low for me, so I might give it just a little bit more, seeing as though she does beat the crap out of it.
I tried not to.
Bull crap. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get those old ones out. Maybe I'll time lapse taking those out and see you guys in a minute. So as you guys can see through that quick time lapse, all you have to do is unclip the coil pack harness, and then it's 4 10mm bolts, and then the coil pack slide right out. And then for once, it's actually a 14mm socket to get the spark plugs out. So it's not a 5/8 or anything like that like it normally would be. It's actually a 14, so you guys are gonna have to get a new spark plug socket to do these. Just an FYI. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install the coil pack, seeing as though I just put the new plugs in. And then we're gonna go ahead and watch her install her new front lip. So yeah, stick around, see you guys in a minute. All right, now that we are done with her spark plugs, she's going to go ahead and remove her front bumper so we can install her front lip.
Hitting too many things.
Going through that shit quick. Definitely done that one too many times. Huh?
Might have hit a couple things.
Oh, yeah, she might have hit a couple things. Y'all didn't. Y'all can't. Well, you guys can't really see it, so.
Not on this side.
Not on this side. I won't point it out, it's okay. If they pick it up, they pick it up. I won't point it out. But yo, that Ursula plate, though. That Ursula plate, though, watch out.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
There we go. We're in business. Y'all didn't see the little mishap that we had. We had to go run to Home Depot and get some screws because we didn't have the right screws. But it's all good. We got the right screws now, so we're Gucci. Continue on the road of success. Ursula's getting some lipo on the lips. Girls, I don't ever want to hear that you can't do it because your nails. Facts. Well, as you guys can see, she's buttoning up Miss Ursula. The lip is on. The lip actually looks pretty clean. Can't lie. For how much was it?
$35.
$35 lip. This shit looks kind of clean. Can't lie. Pretty simple install. Only thing is, I recommend you go and get some bolts from Home Depot before you start.
Yeah, good idea.
Right? But other than that, it looks pretty clean, man, I must say. There you go.